Do you know which statement has been said the most on earth from the beginning to the end without a debate and without an argument? I'm going to tell it to you. There is a certain statement uttered by human beings that has been repeated the most on earth as compared to any other statement uttered by humankind. What is it? Do you know what it is? Can anyone tell me maybe? Allahu Akbar. That's the term. Allah is the greatest. How many Muslims are there on earth today? Perhaps 2 billion. How many prayers a day? 5 daily prayers. Farad. How many times do you move in salah? How many times do you repeat Allahu Akbar? How many times adhan is called? How many Allahu Akbars in adhan? How many times the iqamah or takbir for salah is called? How many times is the Allahu Akbar in that statement? So every day there are billions of times of the repetition of the statement Allahu Akbar. There is no other statement from the beginning of the creation of Adam right up to this day that was ever and shall ever be repeated more than Allahu Akbar. It's impossible. Allahu Akbar. There goes. Have you ever thought about it? And then another question I have, which is the dua that you and I ask for the most? The most repeated supplication that you've ever asked for. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. There is no supplication that you and I have repeated more than that. Every time you read Surah Al-Fatiha, you're saying, guide us to the straight path. Guide us to the straight path. What do I learn from this? On earth, we need to understand the biggest blessing of Allah is for someone to realize and to believe that Allah is the greatest and to continue believing that guidance is in the hands of Allah. So he or she continues to ask Allah for guidance. May Allah guide us. What a gift. What a powerful gift.